Hello everyone! In this video, I'll talk about the maximum total drawdown trading rule. As you can see, each challenge type has a different maximum drawdown, so let's take a closer look at each one. The standard challenge has a maximum drawdown of 12%, which means your equity must not fall below 88% of the initial account balance, including commissions and swaps for both open and closed positions at any given time. The same principle is applied to the Royal and Rapid Challenge, with a difference in the maximum drawdown percentages, which is 10% for the Royal and 8% for the Rapid Challenge. Lastly, the maximum total drawdown of the Knights Challenge is trailing 6% of the account balance. This means the drawdown amount increases as the account balance increases. Once the trader reaches a profit percentage that is larger than the relative drawdown of 6%, the overall drawdown of the account locks in at the original account balance. Which means if you have an account of 100,000 and you make a profit of 9,000, the overall drawdown in this case will be 9%. It's important to remember that any violation of these rules will result in termination of your trading account, and you will not be eligible to move forward with that account. So make sure to understand the maximum drawdown rules for your challenge type and stay within the limits in order to succeed with your trading goals. Trade safe, and until next time!